Hey, greetings everybody. This is Richard Howard from Concord, California. Hey, this is video number 2 in our series on how to create your own website. Now this information is very much geared specifically to my Global Resorts team. However, if you happened upon this video and you're not with my team, it's okay. You can go ahead and watch it. You might find some useful information in here. So we're creating a website because we need a 24-hour presence on the internet for our business, right? We want to be open 24/7 no matter what we're doing, no matter where we're at. No matter what we're doing, we want people to be able to go to our website and check out our company and our business. So that's why we're going through this whole exercise. Now, again, we're creating a website at blinkweb.com. We're using that site because I'm familiar with it. It's the one I use. There are any number of them out there available to you. You can choose one. Just remember, you're on your own for learning it. I don't know anything about any of the other websites, although I assume, whichever it is, that they're very similar in nature. So here we go. We've already created a user account in our last video, and now I'm logged in. You can log in and you come to this page. We created a new site last time and we named it, and now we're going to edit that web page. So here it is, Total Wealth. You remember, I'm just kidding a little bit. This is a little bit tongue-in-cheek. And I'm going to go to the little pencil here, click on that next to my website name, and I'm going to edit my website. Now remember, for my Global Resorts people, we picked a sales letter style website. We want a very basic template for this web page. It's going to be our main page. We don't want a lot of extra stuff going on. That's typically the way we work. Of course, you're free. You own your own business. You can do whatever you want to do. In this example, we're going to choose a very plain website page. Over here to the left, you can always change your layout. If I click on layouts over here, you'll see I have different options for a template. And you can choose one of those. You can do that at any time in the process. You can even publish your paper, your website, and then come back and change it later if you want to. That's a beautiful thing about BlinkWeb. You can always change things, no matter where you're at in the process. For right now, I'll just stick with the default, and we're going to start adding content to the web page. Now remember, Global Resorts people, we want a personally branded website. We want people to know that there is a person related to your business. It's not just a web page. There's a person behind it. We're going to talk about content specifically in another video series. Not right now. For right now, we're just going to start adding content to our web page. I'm going to go over here to Editor Tools. We're going to do two things today very specifically. We're going to add text to our web page, and we're going to add an image to our web page. So I'm going to go over here and grab a text box. I'm going to grab this paragraph, drag it over here to the box, excuse me, and then I'm going to drag this welcome banner down below it. You can always change the position of things. It's the beauty of working in this website. You can always delete things as well by just clicking on the X over here. I could delete or not delete this item. For right now, I'll say no. You can always delete things later, and again, you can always come back after you've published your website and still edit it. So right now I want to add some text. I click in there in the box that says paragraph, click to edit. I can choose bold, italic, underscore. I can add a hyperlink to text. I can change my color. Let's do that now. I'm going to choose a red here. I can change the background color. Not right now. We'll keep it white. You can right align, left align, and you can center your text. I think I'll go center for right now. I'm going to choose different font size. And let's see, let's change the font. I'm going to click in here, highlight it, and I'm going to say Total Wealth. Oh, I want that capitalized. Wait a minute. Wealth in 24 hours. Yes! Now that's my idea of a web page. Total wealth in 24 hours. Text boxes are limited in size on BlinkWeb. You may have to add another box later. I'm not near the limit right now, but just in the event that you put a lot of text on here, you want to add text boxes. Keep them in smaller chunks. So I've added another paragraph here. I want it to be right underneath my other paragraph. Click in here, choose a different font size, different font. Verdana's fine for right now. Let's choose a different text color. Let's make it Sure, black, why not? And I'm going to click in here, highlight it, I'm going to center it, and I'm going to say, here is, oops, I don't know what I did there. Let's try that again. And I'm going to say, here is your plan. Excellent. Again, I can add as many text boxes as I want and just keep going to town in adding content to my website. The other thing that we want to do today is we want to look at adding images. I'm going to add an image with a paragraph to my website by clicking and dragging it over. I'm going to put it above the welcome banner. And I'm going to add, although they have a beautiful picture here by default, I'm going to click here to edit. And I'm going to upload an image. You can either link to an image or upload an image from your, say, your computer. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to browse my computer and just pick this first image here. And let's say open, and that puts the file name right in here, the file path. And then I say upload file. And sure enough, there's a picture. Hey, that's a picture of me playing guitar at a wedding rehearsal. I can size this picture any way I want, bigger or smaller, by just clicking on the blue box down here. It's actually a picture of Pete the man and I playing guitar. Pete is the real guitar player. I kind of lean more on the vocal side and pretend to play guitar. I'm going to click on the paragraph there, and I'm going to edit the text. In this case, I'm going to make, your picture didn't disappear, by the way. I'm going to make the font 18. Let's choose Garamond. And I'm going to right align the text. I'm going to click in here, edit it, and I'm going to say, Pete is the man, because he is indeed. If I click out of that box down here in the white, there's my picture. It's back again. And now I have a text image, or an image with text. Typically, I would not, if I didn't have a lot of text, I wouldn't do it with dragging over image and paragraph. I would just grab an image, and then below it, I might put in a little text besides. Okay, there it is. We have the beginnings of our website. You do as well. The last thing we want to do is save our website up here in the upper left-hand corner. Save and view your website. The rest of this stuff we'll talk about later as far as getting a domain name and publishing. So I'm just going to click on that red box to close it, exit editor, take a deep breath. I now have the beginnings of my website. Hey, as always, you can reach me at 925-285-3972. Be happy to answer your questions. Have a terrific day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.